Hi guys. Sorry. I was supposed to go sa Salcedo Market today. Pero, hindi na tuloy. Kasi apparently Saturdays lang pala siya. So, I went to Cubao Farmer's Market. Ang ganda niya. Dami pa lang pwedeng bilhin. So, it was really good. I was just recording myself kasi I bought this. I guess it will be like a fun time for me. So, I bought these two vases before kasi kulay orange. I want to make this place a bit more colorful, I guess, more me. Pero the sad thing about this is, medyo yung mouth niya is thin or like smaller. So, what I decided to buy are parang more of like small lang naman. Kasi madami na akong, so what I got is Baby's Breath! It's one of my favorite flowers. Pero hindi ko siya before mabili, like assist. Kasi parang filler flowers lang siya. People don't usually buy it as it is. Pero I guess it's one of the prettiest for me. Kasi, wala lang, it's just so small and filler. Hindi siya masyadong nakikita. But you know, it's still there. Ayun nga, ang pangit ng pagkakalagay ko. I guess I have to, clean it up a bit. Pero sige, ito na lang siya. Hindi ko na siya mawawiden. But, I'll add a bit more. Then na lang, I'll clean na lang yung mga stem. Ayun. Medyo nagmamadali ako kasi I have to go out in a while. I have to go for lunch date with a friend. Then, theater after sa Makati. Usually kasi sa Salcedo talaga, but, yeah. So, hehe. Long stem din siya. Then, compared to other flowers, it doesn't have, that loud, na itsura. You don't want it like that, I guess. Personality-wise rin. Somewhat I can relate to it. So, this one, I'll just keep it simple, like this lang. I think it's gonna be like a really good background. Then, I bought, this is carnation. So, ang pinagpipilian ko kanina is like an orange na stem flower na carnation din. But then, I think mas matagal yung life nito. Look, it's so pretty. It's pretty pink. Okay, so I'll just have to separate this. Mas wide yung, mouth nito. So, dun ko siya ilalagay. I don't have good, scissors. Wala akong specifically scissors na nabili para sa flower arrangement. Pero, I guess I just have to, bear with it. Yeah. I think it's cheaper sa Salcedo pala. Sa Salcedo Market. Kasi, I bought this for 200 itong tatlong pieces. Last time sa Salcedo, when I went there, like, I think 2 weeks ago, nasa 150 lang siya. So, ayun. But it's still pretty. Parang, ayan. So, this will be yung star. I'll do it, parang land, air, water. na arrangement. So, yung 3 same flowers will be in 3 different levels. Ayun. I'm rushing. Hindi man halata, pero I am rushing. And doesn't it fit the background rin ng place? Very floral. Ayan. I really love flowers. It makes me happy just looking at them. Medyo mahal nga lang siya. Nakakainis. Hindi ko alam. But yeah, let's pay our farmers right naman. Pero sana nga farmers yung nag-aano and not the middleman. Farmers yung nag-earn, no? I just have to clean kasi feel ko medyo matanda na rin tong this one is better. Siguro mas minadali ko yung isa. I'm not sure if there's a variety. Kaya siya mas maganda. Pero, ayun nga. I guess it was because minadali ko yung isa. Prettier pa naman yung base niya. Sayang. But, yeah, let's just see. Keep on cleaning yung stem. Ang maganda pa pala with Baby's Breath, I guess, based from experience, I haven't researched so much I just pick whatever I want. I think yung maganda sa kanya is, mas matagal yung life niya. Although, arguably, I'm not sure if matagal yung life nitong nabili ko. Kasi almost all the flowers are in bloom na. Before yung nabibili ko was like, medyo blooming pa lang siya. But regardless, it's still so pretty. It's gonna take the centerpiece ng table. I don't usually study dito sa table kasi it's too big, tas mainit. Still don't. Ayoko naman magsayang ng electric fan or aircon since mag-isa lang ako, mahal ng kuryente. Yeah. I'm almost done. Guys, I hope you're as excited as me with the microphone that I bought. Kala mo naman na vlogger, but still, it makes me happy. Yeah. I think more, I don't want to do this one. Okay, let's just put this on the side. Yan here. Sorry, you're in the background for now. Okay. I think I wanted to redo that one. Put a bit more effort into it. Kasi I think it will look prettier. Kasi minadali ko siya. I can utilize these 3 stems. Actually, it looks pretty. Then, pwede siyang magbigay ng strength dun sa flowers. But this one is enough. This is cute enough for me, okay? Let's just keep it on the side. I'll post for later yung photo. This one, I have to clean. Wait, I'll have to clean this first. Kasi, wala lang. Better to work on a clean canvas, I guess. Okay, sorry for the water. It keeps on coming. Okay, so let's clean. No oras na ba? Let's see. This one is good. Let's clean the mouth. This still looks pretty, man. Yeah. Okay. Diba? Hindi ko sure kung gagawin ko siyang matangkad, pero baka gawin ko medyo triangle-ish. Looks pretty. Yeah. I'll put aside the mga smaller ones. They're gonna be our fillers, siguro, on the bottom part. Kasi wala man tayong choice. Pinutulang ko siya agad. But it's cute. I guess, pwede ko rin siyang ilagay doon as a parang bookmark siguro. Like, reminder of the first flower I bought dito sa bagong place. I wonder how magtunog yung voice ko mamaya. Kasi parang very matinis yung voice ko. So, I hope. Yeah, it's not too much. It's not too small either. Ang dami kong smaller stem kasi kinot ko siya kanina. By the way, I'm removing some of the leaves para mas matagal yung buhay niya, hindi agaw sustansya sa bulaklak natin. Ayun no, kasi pag naglalagay ako ng madami, this one looks pretty. Meron pa siya mga flower na not yet blooming. So, I hope it will bloom soon. Another thing pala, feel ko, sort of, meron yata akong allergy with some flowers. Not sunflower, some flowers. Yung maraming pollens. Pero, hindi ko alam kung bakit meron. Alam mo naman, anak mayaman. Pero, yun, minsan nagkakaroon ako ng hatching-hatching. Hatching ako. Okay, this one is nice, I guess. Okay. Just remove some of the dead branches kasi parang na-deads ko na siya sa biyahe ng LRT. Okay, let's give it some height difference. Medyo overcrowded siya. Yeah, like, medyo overcrowded siya in the bottom. So, let's add more. Siguro na may nasa higher Yun nga, yung problem pala. Binawasan ko. So, this one are small. Lagay ko dito. Okay. Now, meron pa tayong mga natitira na bigger ones. This one, yung mga hindi ko naputulan, yun yung nalagay natin sa taas. Tigas na nung stem niya. There. Ayan, meron na siyang depth. So, dagdagan ko na lang siguro on the other side. Bawasan ko to ng flowers. Bawasan ng... Aray! Parang sugatan ako. I'll cut off some... Ang tigas nung stem na iba. Diba? I keep on talking. I didn't know na I'll be this excited and recording. I know, na-burn na yung ibong. But, grabe ang tagal ko na. It's been 10 minutes since I was talking. Pero, sige lang. There. Doesn't it look refreshing? Kasi nag-ayos syempre, I'm a fan of it, of what I did. But, yeah, medyo kalbo pa siya in the middle, but it will be, that's the good thing about flowers, na hindi pa, buying flowers na hindi pa nag-bloom. It will become prettier as time goes by. And, honestly, I love that idea. Not everything starts pretty, but there's a chance for us to be prettier. Not physically, per se, but as a person. There's this quote na parang I read na um it's hard to be sorry, I guess, for the things that we don't know. Mga bagay na only time can teach us. There. There. Bye.